Hello everyone, let's check how to get the attribute of any element on any web page. Suppose any element is there and you want to take the different attributes for this for any element. Like you want to take the source, size and class, different attribute whatever some element can have. So we'll take for example, we'll take for this image logo, we'll find out different attributes like class, and see here so many attributes are there. Whatever attributes you want, you can fetch it through Selenium using different get attributes, get methods. So for to do this, I have written one simple Java program, one simple Selenium Java program, in which I am opening the browser, landing to the web page, everything, and then here I have taken the XPath of this element, because as you all know that to get to perform any action on anything, we need to know the location of that Selenium element, which we call as locator. So already I have taken the locator and I am ready with this thing. For this, if you don't know how to take a locator, I have already uploaded a video and I will give the description in that description box. You can go through it and learn how to take the locator. For now, I have taken the locator, everything, just to save the time. Now I will find out different properties, whatever properties you want. So to take the properties, we can find any property, any attribute of this element, like source, size, class, uh, anything, alt, and also many see, you can see lots of properties are there. So let's take all the property one by one, not all, the few properties I will show, and then while doing this you can find out whatever property you want. So first let's take attribute source. So attribute source equals to that's a variable in which I will find the source of this element. So here I have taken already that element, the XPath. So element dot get attribute. It must be there somewhere, get attribute. See, and now here you pass the value of any attribute. Let's pass the value of src. Okay, like you want to know the source of this image. So now let's print this value. Property name is, attribute name is source. Source equals to plus attribute source, right? Okay, few more properties I will show you how to get it, and then we can find, let's copy paste the same thing, because just property name we have to change it, right? Attribute name. So let's not waste any further time to type the things. This one will be, I'm finding another property name is alt size. Attribute alt size, attribute size. I'm finding the attribute size, and then here we have to see, if you see here, it will be the name of sizes, right? I'll show you. See, if you go to, this is the sizes. Okay, so let's take the sizes. Okay, so this will here take the sizes, and then we'll take the class, attribute class. It will print the name of this element, class. Okay, and here we'll give the name of attribute class. And guys, always try to for video I am typing it, but you don't type it, you always copy paste from here, like you are taking images. So copy this size attribute and then type it there. Otherwise it might not able to it might not be will be able to fetch the correct property, correct attribute. So always copy paste the attribute name from there and then type it in the code. Okay, that is a class. And then We can take one more alt also some attribute is there. If you want you can take it, otherwise let's leave it. Alt also, see this programmer word, so let's take this also. Alt and this change, alt, this change to class, and this change to size. Okay, and now one different thing for text. As you know, the locator for text also to taking with that property text also is different, so fetching also will be different. So to fetch that text, how will you fetch? Because here no text is there, this is a image, but in case if you are taking for any like this programmer word element and all, then what, how will you take the how will you take the text? If you write simply here text, this will not work. See, if you write text here in the attribute, sorry, this will not work. Here I cannot show you because it's an image and no text is there. And suppose if you are taking some other element which has a text property, and if you write text here, this will not work. For text, simple another property is there, you have to call that property, like get text. So this text will fetch you the text on that element. Okay guys, so here there is no text, so I guess this will display as get text, sorry, null, because we don't have text here, right? Let's see. So get text will be different guys. Other rest attribute you can pass the parameter inside the get attribute and you can fetch it. But for get text, that simply passing the text parameter inside the braces will not work. You have to use, instead of get attribute, you have to use get text. Okay, let's run this program and see what and all properties it is fetching it. It should fetch source, size, class and alt. Sizes, class and alt. So I have run the program, it is running. It started. First it will invoke the browser and then it will pass the URL. It will land to the application page and then these many properties it will fetch. Let's see. See, it has print source, size, class and alt. I will show you from the code. See, sizes was 512 pixel 100 VWC, and then class was custom logo, so it is custom logo, alt and everything. You can check it and it has source and all, everything it has printed correctly. And as there was no text, it did not print anything. It did not even print the value of null. So like this you can fetch the value of any element, you can fetch the value of any attribute for that element. Thank you guys for watching my video.